Hey guys, it's Tim from TMC Media, checking back in to talk about the Nanlite Forza 720B and how remarkable it is in terms of its power, versatility and overall level that it gives us on set. This light is the most powerful light we've ever had on a music video set and allows us to get such great level, allowing us to stop down on our aperture, lower our ISO levels, and give us an overall vibrancy and lift to our productions that we've never had before. Complementing with the PavoTube series with the Forza 60C, it's just a must-have for any serious filmmaking production company. In this case, we're shooting for DJ Fluke's Breathe music video, and we have a kitchen scene in which we place the 720B outside of a kitchen, shining it through the Venetian blinds, giving us that natural morning look. We were able to change the color temperature via the app and then change it to a very cool and lightning effect when, as you can see here, this guy's going through a bit of mental torment after his girlfriend walks out on him. The NanLink app just allows that flexibility. You don't have to have someone outside on a walkie-talkie or a mobile phone and having that lag and that loss of connection. You can have it in the palm of your hands, and with the Bluetooth receiver inbuilt to the Forza 720B, you're able to just control it just then and there. It allows me, because I'm actually a DJ of 10 years, to just remix the lighting on the go. And to me, that's the way I like to direct. That's the way I like to light my sets. So Nanlite with the Forza 720B, it's a must-have for TMC Media's production moving forward into 2023. We're so happy that we have this light and just wanted to share some information with you guys. It's definitely not a light for up-and-coming filmmakers. You don't need all of that power to begin with. Something like the PavoTube 15X Series 2 is just a perfect kit to get. Otherwise, if you really want to step things up, this Forza 720B is well priced. It's an amazing light, and we thank Nanlite for partnering up with us on this journey. And we look forward to creating more content with Nanlite into 2023 and sharing with you more insightful product information about their lights, because realistically, this is a light that we use in most of our sets, and it has increased the quality of our productions as we grow on YouTube and all the social media platforms. My name is Tim McCartney from TMC Media. I'm the director, and I hope you have a good day. Take care, stay safe, peace, love, one.